Welcome to our latest build, the stunning 2024 Lamborghini Huracan Tecnica. Let's dive into the incredible upgrades we've made. We started by 3D scanning the rear cabin to design a custom subwoofer enclosure, ensuring a perfect fit. Using advanced lasers, we meticulously replicated the factory interior. Some parts of this enclosure are hand-built, while others are 3D printed, guaranteeing conformity with the factory panels. Amplifiers are installed in the front trunk underneath transparent plastic. We even made a spare switch operable, labeled with precision through laser etching. A Ryft exhaust was installed for sound and performance. All speakers have been upgraded. Custom 3D printed tweeter pods were 3D printed. This vehicle is equipped with our custom Escort Redline 360, complete with 3D printed pod mounts on both the front and rear. 4 custom pods are installed on the front of the vehicle. The stance on this car is perfect thanks to Novitec lowering springs. 2 additional pods are installed in the rear. We've also added multicolor ambient lighting to elevate the interior experience. A custom bass and volume knob has been integrated into a panel for easy access and control of the audio system. The interior features a sleek display and controller for the Escort system, along with one of our 3D printed wireless phone chargers. Experience the 2024 Lamborghini Huracan Tecnica like never before.